What's up, rock stars? This is a short video where I talk really quickly about microwave popcorn. Now, everybody knows that the best microwave popcorn brand, Orville Redenbacher. If you think that there's a better brand than Orville Redenbacher, you're wrong. You're just wrong. This is the best microwave popcorn out there. No comparisons. Now, I like to buy these mini bags because it's just the right amount. It's perfect. But the problem I have with these mini bags is that sometimes they can get burnt more easily. All right? I'm going to show you a little trick that I've learned to deal with these mini bags. Don't worry about it, I'm gonna cook it for you soon. What causes them to burn is the fact that there's some kernels in there that are not fully saturated with butter. So what you want to do is you want to take it and you really want to mush it together. You want to get all those kernels that are on the side that haven't really got all buttery yet. You want to get them all buttered up. You want to get that butter all over everything. You want to mush them together inside that package. Get that butter all up in there. Yeah, there you go. You can feel it. You can feel them getting a little greasy. Oh, see, I got some stray ones up here in the corner. Yeah, no, that's Pop's secret. I don't know why we have that in the cupboard. You know what? That's garbage. My son really wants microwave popcorn. But, you know, he will learn. Another trait of microwave popcorn, you gotta be a little patient. That's a good trait for life in general. Patience. All right. So, it says this side up. What do you think about that? Do you think that's a myth? Have any of you out there ever tried to put this side down? Have you gotten the same results? Maybe it comes out better and none of us have ever known because we're just following the rules in the bag. You follow the rules that every bag tells you? So, another thing I like to do here is it says this side up. I'm going to put it flat like this, right? No. I'm going to fold it in half. Yeah. Fold it in half. And then we're going to put it in like this. Still this side up. You know what? We'll do a video. We'll do a video where we put this side down. And we'll see. We'll see what's up with that. All right. Now, this says you're going to put it in for about 1.5 minutes. And you're going to listen between pops. So, I like to put it in for 2 minutes. Because sometimes it bleeds over that 1.5 minutes a little bit. Depends on the strength of your microwave, really. So, we're going to put it in for 2 minutes here. And we're going to listen to it, right? We're going to listen to it. Now, the key to listening to your microwave popcorn, you want it to be about 3 to 5 seconds of still between pops. If you get more than 5 seconds between pops, you're really pushing it. You're getting into burn city, right? And we don't want to eat those burnt ones. I kind of like them, but he doesn't like them. So, we're going to listen to it. And we're gonna just judge when we think it's good, when we think it's done. If they're all in the middle like that, they should all pop uniformly. All right. Oh, you hear it? You hear it popping? Do you hear it popping? Yeah. Yeah. Rock and roll. Peace. Yeah. You know it. You know it. All right. Up on your feet. Oh, you can hear it popping. Here, let's give you a view. Look at that, see? It unfolded.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Slowing down.
Yeah.
1,000. 1,000. 2 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. 2 1,000. 1,000. 2 1,000. 1,000. 2 1,000. 3 1,000. 4 1,000. I think it's done. See, that was a little bit, that was like a minute and 40 seconds. So let's see if we burnt any. You gotta watch out, it's hot. You get your bowl. We don't really have a good popcorn bowl at the moment. Hold on, we'll see what we got available. Oh, this is good. This is a good bowl for the mini popcorn. Yeah, a nice wooden bowl. That looks like a good popcorn bowl, right? Fuck yeah. All right. So, there was a little bit of burning, but not that bad. Not that bad. Overall, I'd say we did a really good job here with this. So that's the technique. You know, microwave popcorn's a simple thing. You all think you might got it. But if you're not buying Orville Redenbacher, you don't got it. Right? Here. You taste some. You tell the crowd what you think. Num? Yeah. Yeah, he likes it. All right. That's it, rock stars. Stay good. Stay healthy. Eat some popcorn. Rock and roll. Peace. He's going to enjoy that.